Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to merge two tracks into one in Audacity. First, click on File, then hover over Import and choose Audio. Now select the tracks you want to merge. They'll appear in your timeline as separate tracks. Next, click on Select in the menu bar and choose All. This will select both tracks. Now click on Tracks, go to Align Tracks, and select Align End to End. This places your tracks one after another in sequence. With the track still selected, click on Tracks again, hover over Mix, and click Mix and Render. And that's it! Your tracks are now merged into one single track. You can now export it as a single audio file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.